for watching. I am here with Tristan at the Gild clinic to have my follow-up treatments done. So Tristan's been seeing me for to make me look young and
sculpted is what we were after.
Yeah, exactly.
So seeing Azzy again today, and we're going to do a cheek filler treatment today, just to try and create some definition to the cheekbones and create more of a V shape in Azzy's face.
You'll get to see how it all works, and you'll get to see the before and after. Apologies for the no makeup look right now. Tristan made me take off all my makeup.
Sorry. I'm terribly sorry. So should we get to it?
Let's get to it.
On this side. And back towards me. So now I'm going to sit up as we mark on what we call the apex of the cheek, which is usually in a vertical line down from this point. And this is where we want to create maximal projection. This is also known as the beautification point. And if you make this point more projected, everyone looks more attractive to a point. So we create some projection there, and we want to create a sweeping cheekbone down here. That's the objective. So if we find this point on the other side, we're going to find the apexes around using a volumizing filler, and we're just going to go in for the first point. Sharp little scratch coming in now. Just touch down on there, and we always pull back with filler to make sure that we're not in a blood vessel. That's really important. That's something that we teach a lot in our training. And then slowly inject. Beautiful. So we've created this side. Let me do the same on this side. Okay, sharp scratch now. Okay, so now we've got those first points structurally in place. So this is a cannula. It's not sharp, it's actually blunt, but it allows me to inject filler without causing any trauma to the tissues, and I can travel over larger areas. And in order to use it, I have to make a little entry point with this. So sharp little scratch now, as you well done. And that's just going through the skin. And then the tricky thing with cannulas is knowing which layer of the face that we're actually going to treat. And so I'm specifically making my way down to the right layer to get the best result for the cheekbone, which is there. And I can take my cannula right back to the hairline, and then I inject. Yeah, and this is how you get those sculpted, sweeping cheekbones. So we've created now some definition there, and with my finger I can just make it a bit more defined, and you get a ridge, because you can mold filler for about 10 to 15 minutes after it's been injected. A little coming in. Here we're just going to be finding our point. Sometimes it's difficult to find. There, okay. I'm going to go way through the same layer. There, perfect. And that's it. So all we've used here is 1 mil in the cheeks, and in patients who are looking just for a bit of extra definition and a bit of refinement, 1 mil can be enough to treat the cheeks. And the final thing to do is to do some moulding, and then we'll have a look at what we've done.
Hey guys, I just wanted to show you the results of my cheek filler from yesterday's treatment. It's always best to show you a day after or 24 hours treatment so that you can see the real results. I also look a little bit better today because I've washed my hair. And yesterday I looked like a bottom mess. But the only reason why I get or go for the cheek filler is because with age, I'm 35 now, gravity does take its place and your skin does start to sag. And especially someone like me who exercises quite vigorously, I do a lot of running, you know, my skin starts to face south, so you need to look after it. As well as good skincare, you do need just a bit of filler just to lift and plump the skin. And there we go, those are the results. So I'm very happy. You might hate it, that's fine, but I'm doing it for me. And I thought I'd share it with you just in case if it's something that you'd like to do too. And it's not painful, it's completely pain-free. And I totally recommend Tristan, who is highly trained in what he does, and he's lovely, makes you feel very comfortable, and there's never any bruising after having treatments with Tristan. Yeah, if you want to cheat for, let's go see Tristan. Thank you, thanks for watching.